welcome back to my channel. This is your girl Ntam. So today I'm going to be cleaning the house, doing some laundry, and then a bit of grocery shopping. So come along and spend the day with me. So guys, I usually do not clean every day, so if I clean today I would skip a day, but for now the house is such a mess. Just look around. So I'll be cleaning the kitchen, the dining, and then I would go to the bedrooms. Yeah, so for now everything is a mess. Yeah, let me get started. Guys, I'll be starting off in the lounge. These California couches are so uncomfortable and they're already worn out. I will have to be getting new couches, so I'll start by cleaning this side, and then I will then move over to the bedrooms. After cleaning the bedrooms, it would be the bathroom, and then I will come to do the kitchen last. So this is how it is. Let me get working because it is such a mess, guys. It is such a mess for a small house. There's a lot of work to be done. So guys, this is my water and vinegar solution. That's what I usually use to clean my appliances. So my micro oven, as well as the counters, I would use this solution, homemade. I just mix half of vinegar and half of water. I'll just spray it, leave it to sit, and then I'll come back when I'm cleaning this side. I'll just wipe it down. So anything that has to do with stainless steel, anything that has to do with glass, I usually use this solution. It works better for me. So I just spray it over, and then I just let it sit while I do the other spaces. It will dry up, it will take out all the grease, and then I'll come back and just wipe it down. Meantime, I have my soapy water. I'm going to first, like I said, I'm going to be starting with the bathrooms. I'm going to be cleaning the basins, and then I'll do the basins and all the countertops, then drain it out and put in clean water for the floors. As I am going to be starting with the bathroom, as we know that the bathroom is the dirtiest space in the house. So I'm just going to be cleaning the toilet, I'll be doing the baths, and then I'll lastly do the floors. So yeah, dirty. But yeah, let me just start with this space before I head any further. So guys, I am busy with the basin. As you can see, it's a bit dirty. So what I'd like to do is, after cleaning the tap and the surfaces, I do like to add some vinegar as well as bicarbonate soda. Just let it sit a bit, especially on the slime, on the grime rather. I just let it sit. I would wipe it off. Then after wiping, I would then add some bicarbonate soda and some vinegar throughout the dirty places. Let it sit for about 10 minutes and then wipe it off, and then you will see the difference. It does make such a big difference, guys. It also makes your basins or your surfaces clean, and it makes it germ free. Okay, so that's one trick that I also like to do as well. When it comes to cleaning the bath, I do use some pine gel and old scruffer. You see, old style scruffer, just to make sure the lines are not there and then the bath is cleaned properly. So yeah, I do use that just because I find that with the bath it's a bit more harder to clean it, so you need to be pressing harder. And then yeah, just some pine gel and some old scruffer. Do you guys still use this? Now I do, but that's what I use just to clean the bath. And then yeah, this is how the surfaces look. I am going to be cleaning the floors while I just let that sit for a while, and then once I'm done with the bathroom floor, I will come back, just rinse this off, and then we'll have a clean bathroom. Okay, so this is how it's looking. Then I'm just going to be doing the floors now. Guys, cleaning is such a chore. So now I'm just going to be doing the bathroom floor, and then yeah, once I'm done with this, I'm going to be taking out this dirty water and then putting in fresh water so that I can come and do the dining room and the lounge, whatever. And then after that, I will head over to do the bedrooms, and then once the bedrooms are done, I'll come get a pasiti, and then I will be ending off in the kitchen. So honaje, I'm cleaning the bathroom. So guys, I find cleaning to be such a chore, and I usually don't clean every day because I really don't like cleaning. I honestly don't like cleaning. So if it's not today, then the following day I would not clean. I would rather just pack everything nicely and then just sweep and maybe just clean the kitchen where it's visible and everybody just walks into it. But in general, cleaning every day, not my piece of cake. I'm not lazy, I just don't like doing chores. I understand that people who love doing this, they find it so relaxing. For me, it's a headache. I hate doing chores, guys. I hate cleaning. I really don't like things that take my time and require manual labor. Yo, no. So guys, this basket here has 2 loads that have been washed, but I can't hang them out because it's raining. So now I just have to do the bedding. Oh, my people, yo, wait again. It's a lot. So guys, I'm about 30 minutes in. I've just loaded laundry, and this is the last part. So the bathroom is done, this part is done. I'm just doing the bedrooms, the passage, as well as finishing off the kitchen, and then I'm going to be done. So 2 loads left of laundry, and then yeah, this whole passage, that bedroom, the passage, and then the kitchen. So guys, I'm done with the cleaning. It took me about 2 hours just to clean. The only thing that is remaining is for the laundry to finish up. I did put it, so the laundry is still running, and then once that is done, I will be done. Can I just say, we never rest. Msebenzi wa ka tlung does not end. Msebenzi wa makgowa does not end. I don't know how or when we rest, but we just never rest. It's just so much. But yeah, I'm done now. I'm just going to finish up, get ready, quickly head out to get some grocery essentials in just a short time, and then yeah, come back, and then later on I don't know where does the time go by, and I'm just tired. I wish maybe I should get auntie, what do they call it, ausi, auntie, maybe that will help. But for now, I just have to make sure everything is done, and yeah, then once everything is sorted, once the laundry is done, and then I can just rest a bit. Okay, so guys, I'm done. I've just prepared myself some lunch. I'm really hungry. I'm just having some toast with eggs, and I'm gonna get myself a drink. I got this cute tumblers from Pep Home. So yeah, I've just woke up with appetite. Hi guys, so this is some of the groceries that I got for this month. Can I just say that food is so expensive, guys? We are breathing through the window. But anyway, we still need to eat. So we've got our all-grain flakes. I've got 2 packs. I've got my mixed veg curry, the brand name from Pick n Pay. I have some pilchards, some ultramel, coffee, mayonnaise, aromat, and then some snacks. And then down here I have my washing powder, refill softener. Remember I mentioned that I'm going to be trying to use the pots, but for now I'm going to try to be using the liquid washing powder. I've got my tissue roll and then for my bath, or my shower rather, I've got the Also Heavenly body wash, and I've got some toilet spray. I did unpack some of the items, like my Mille Meal. I did not buy rice this month, and I bought meat. I will be doing a budget review at the end of the month. We are in April, and if you are like me and work for government, you are aware that NP cash is gone by 30, so we need to work with what we have. But your food is so expensive. Food is so expensive. But hey, we got to eat. People have to eat. So yeah, so I'll just indicate towards the end of the month when I do my budget review of how much did I want to spend against how much I've spent for each line item. Okay, so yeah, so that's, then I have meat. It's already packed in the freezer, I mean to say. But yeah, I still need to get toilet paper. I still need to get milk. I did get some toiletries, but I still have to go back to the shops and get myself 18 pieces of toilet paper and milk. I think I buy milk every week, and milk is so expensive. I don't know. Okay, shut. So guys, So guys, I'm here just to top up on my groceries. I was originally supposed to be going to ShopRite, but guess what? I missed a stop and now I find myself at Checkers. So I'm just going to be getting what I need. I'm going to be getting some milk, toilet paper, and a few items just to complete my grocery for the month. So let's head in. Guys, I'm back at the house. As you can see, I was originally going to ShopRite because I had my list. Then I don't know what happened. I found myself go Checkers. So I did get these items. Like I said, I had to add on the tissue paper, the milk, as well as the eggs. But now I decided to get some extra things and bread, obviously, because bread is like every day. And then I decided to get some extra things that we needed. So I did get the Baby Soft 18. I did get milk. I did get eggs. And then I added the 2-minute noodles 2 packs. And then the 2 deodorants 2 packs. And then some tea and obviously some pizza, 2 packs of that. Guys, for these items, I think the 12 all in all, I spent 600 rand, guys. 600 rand. So from the list that from the items that I showed you before, I just added on these, and these were 600 rand. So I will also have to update my budget and add this amount to the grocery for the month. Guys, food is so expensive. The cost of living is so expensive. Because we do need to eat, guys. I don't know. So in the month of April, I will just add the 600 rand that I spent today on my budget list, and then it means in May I will also have to do a full grocery list. But I will not be adding the toilet paper because I did get 18, so that should last me about 2 to 3 months. But for everything else, I will have to do, because guys, this inflation, this high cost of inflation is really hitting us where it hurts most. But yeah, I just got what else I needed. I'm just done with groceries for the month, and then I will do the next grocery shopping in the new month of May. So this is just to add on, to top up on the grocery list for April. And then until then, ek is klaar.